Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your brand kit to BigCommerce design settings, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the storefront section from the main dashboard. Select My Themes to access your current theme settings. Click on the Customize button to open the theme editor. Once in the theme editor, look for the branding option located in the sidebar. Under the branding section, you'll find fields for your logo, colors, and fonts. Begin by uploading your logo by clicking the Upload button. Select the logo file from your computer and confirm the upload. Next, move to the Colors section. Enter your primary brand color using the color picker or hex code. Repeat this process for your secondary colors. Now, proceed to the Fonts section. Choose your primary font from the drop-down menu. If necessary, select a secondary font for headings or special text. Once you've entered all the necessary brand kit elements, review your changes. To save, click the Save Changes button at the top right corner of the editor. After saving, preview your store to ensure everything appears as intended. If all looks good, exit the theme editor to return to the dashboard. Your brand kit is now successfully transferred to your BigCommerce design settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.